Hello and welcome. My name is Salom and we are the Ghana Automotive Summit, which has been organized by the Automobile Assemblers of Ghana. What it means is that there are people or there are car makers in Ghana that assemble cars in Ghana for Ghanaians. We had something like this 2 years ago. It's on my YouTube channel. You could go and check it out. We had much fewer cars at that time, and that was when the whole idea of the assembly in Ghana was getting to life, you know what I mean? So today we are going to see what they have in store for us. I'm actually very excited about this. I want to see if there have been any improvement or development, the number of cars they are probably working on or they are probably assembling in Ghana here and all that. So let's get in there and see what they have in store for us. Let's go, follow me. Wow, this is nice. This feels like a proper car show, like, you know, that the Geneva car show or the China car show, the Austin car show, the New York car show. That is the vibe I'm getting in here. With all the cars and the arrangement and the organization and all, this feels really, really nice. Feels exotic. So right now, let's look at some of the cars that we have here. From Peugeot, from VW, from Toyota, from Suzuki, from Kia. Kia has a lot of cars here, I can see. They have quite a lot of cars. The Kia and VW, they have quite a number of cars. And we have Photon, and we have Hyundai. This is my surprise for this year, the Santa Fe. I didn't know that they were assembling this car in Ghana, because this car is like, when it came out, it was the most talked about car in the auto space, because it came with a new design, fresh new design, from the front to the back, especially the back. It's a crazy design, but it's good. And the space, it's a very big car. It's a proper big car, and it has so much space inside. This was my surprise the last time they hosted something like this. I didn't know at that time that Honda was assembling the HR-V in Ghana. I didn't know, so it was my surprise for the time they organized it. But it's still a surprise because you could tell that they have redesigned the car. The design is refreshed with the headlights and the front design. Even in its category, the boot looks quite decent, like enough space to do whatever you want to do. And for those who are interested in buses, we have buses being assembled in Ghana. And this is the view bus, you can see there. Is the view bus. As I said earlier, if you are interested in buses, this bus is being organized in Ghana, and it comes with all the quirks and the features you might be interested in. So for bus lovers, this is it. So this is a Photon pickup, but I could have sworn from afar, I thought it was a Ford F-150. It looks like from afar, I thought it was a Ford F-150, but this is a Photon pickup, and it's being assembled here in Ghana. From Nissan, we have the Navara pickups. We can see all the models that have been packed. All these, especially this one, this is my favorite. The way they've cladded it in the Ghana flag, made in Ghana from Nissan. So it's only the pickup trucks that they are assembling in Ghana from Nissan. And from Peugeot, we have the 3008, which is an SUV truck, and the Landtrek, which is a pickup truck, being assembled in Ghana from Peugeot. And from VW, we have 4 cars. We have the Amarok, we have the Touareg, we have the Tiguan Allspace, and we have the Virtus, all assembled here in Ghana by VW. So from Toyota, we have the Hilux pickup truck. We have 2 of them here on display. These are the ones assembled in Ghana. They are pickup trucks. From Suzuki, we have the Swift. This is actually one of my favorite cars when it comes to small city cars. I just like the way it looks, and it's nimble, nice to drive. And it's assembled in Ghana. So from Suzuki, we have the Swift. I like the Swift, but I didn't know that they've darkened the headlights. This is nice. It's a nice touch. I have to admit, it's a really nice touch. And if you look at it from this side with the grille, it's really cool. And from Kia, we have 5 cars on display. All these 5 cars are being assembled in Ghana. 5! And they have been nicely displayed. So we have the Sonet, we have the Karens, we have the Sorento, we have the Seltos, and we have the Pegas, all assembled here in Ghana by Kia. It's actually quite a shock that they're not assembling the Cerato in Ghana. That's actually one of my favorite cars from Kia. It's a shock. But yeah, they have 5. 5 is a lot. I think they are the only car makers here in the room that have more cars assembled in Ghana. I think the next is VW, but for now, Kia is the only people who are doing more cars assembled in Ghana than any other brand I'm seeing around here. And this is the Geely Cool Ray. I'm sure you remember this phrase from one of my videos when I was actually reviewing this car. This is actually a new entry into the assembled in Ghana scene. It came somewhere last year and it's my favorite. No two ways about it. This is one of my favorites from last year. This year we are still in the year, so let's see how it goes. But this is the Geely Cool Ray. It's a really cool car and it's also assembled in Ghana. So in a stable of Hyundai, we have the Grand i10, we have the Creta, and we have the Santa Fe, all assembled in Ghana. This is one of the cars that's piqued my interest and tickled my fancy. It's the 3008. The name is actually very interesting, but it's the thing with the French. So I can't say anything about it, but the front looks really nice. I like the headlights, I like the grille, and I like their new logo. It's big and bold. And I like how the bumper is. I like how this part of the front is with the model number or the model name is. And it really looks cool. I mean, if you look at it from the side, from the front to the back, it really, really looks cool. And I like the rims. The rims are also really nice. It has really nice rims. And I like the way the back is sloped a bit. It's a really nice car. That's why it piqued my interest. And the back looks nice. Actually, it looks like a car from a GTA game. Like the way the back is, it looks like a car from a GTA game. I think GTA 5, I think. So yeah, this is one of the cars that's piqued my interest and tickled my fancy. And inside, oh mine, I have never been inside this. Inside this is cloth. I don't think I've seen this in any car in a very long while. I don't know what the aim is, but it's cloth. It is so noticeable when you enter. And you have this, the instrument cluster and your center console. I don't know if that's the center console, but yeah, everything is seamless. It's one. Wow. And look at the controls here. This is something. Okay. Amazing.
So that's the first point. That
I don't know anything going on right now. I'm looking for the radio to lower it a bit. This will be an exciting car to drive. And another amazing thing is that this car doesn't come with a gear lever. So you see how you either have a rotary lever or you have a lever. This one is just here. So this is new. Okay, I think it's all here. So if you want to come to reverse, you press this, just press this reverse. Amazing. So other cars that always pique my interest anytime I'm around them are the VW cars. Like particularly the Touareg and the Virtus. These two cars, I've done videos on them, so go and check the videos on my YouTube channel and you see why I love them so much. The Touareg and the Virtus, amazing cars. You should see this in the evening when it's coming from afar. This is a really nice touch. The line, the LED line here is a really nice one. So this is how they assemble the cars. This looks like one of their pickup trucks. Okay, nice.